All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually give other team members access to your list. So all you're going to do is you're going to go to Contacts, you're going to go to Manage Smart List, and then right on the side here, you'll see it says Share. Just hit that button, and then you'll see your different team members on down here on the side. You can either share with all of them, or you can just click the individual member, and then just hit Save. And it's that easy. Now they're actually going to have access to it, and they're going to see it up here on the this little bar right here. And they can also go to Smart List. But yeah, just all up here in the tabs. So again, Manage Smart List. You go here, you pick the list you want to do, you go to Share, and then pick who you want to share it with.